Hello, everyone. Welcome to Research Hub. First, see this report? It scores 100% AI written, and this one, 0%. Same content, so what's different? I made it sound human. One simple method, 5 steps. Let me walk you through it. In this video, we're using an AI detector just for demonstration. These tools aren't perfect and can sometimes give inaccurate results. That said, patterns in AI-generated writing do exist. So our first humanizer is QuillBot. What if you could write better academic content using AI, and then check whether it sounds AI-generated or human-written? I'll show you a simple workflow, first using ChatGPT to generate content, then improving it with QuillBot, and finally checking it using ZeroGPT. This method is very useful for students who want clear, professional, and natural-sounding academic writing. First, you can use ChatGPT to generate your initial paragraph, essay, or research content based on your topic. Impact of AI on academic research. You can see ChatGPT write a clear and concise paragraph. Copy this text and paste in ZeroGPT. Okay, we will check this paragraph on ZeroGPT. You can see our text is 100% AI generated. Then, next, open QuillBot. Copy this text and paste it into QuillBot. QuillBot helps you paraphrase, improve clarity, and adjust tone using modes like formal, academic, and fluency. This makes your writing smoother and more professional. After rewriting, you can check your content using ZeroGPT. As you can see, 0% AI generated, 100% human written. So the best approach is simple: generate with AI, refine with QuillBot, and verify with ZeroGPT. This helps you create high-quality academic content that is clear, natural, and more reliable. Second tool is Undetectable.ai, a tool specifically designed to make AI-generated text appear more human-like. Start by generating your content using ChatGPT. This can be a paragraph, essay, or research topic. Impact on social media on youth. ChatGPT. Generate a paragraph. Now check in ZeroGPT. As you can see, our text is 100% AI generated. Now go to the Undetectable.ai and paste it, then click on Humanize. Now check in GPT-0. Wow, you can see our text is 100% human written. It helps you see how your content is perceived and whether it appears AI generated or more human written. So the workflow is simple. Generate content with ChatGPT, refine it using Undetectable.ai, and then verify it with an AI detection tool like GPT-0. This approach helps you create content that sounds natural while reducing AI detection scores. Our third tool is HIX AI Humanizer, a tool designed for improving both academic and SEO-based writing. So, same process. Open ChatGPT and write a paragraph. Copy this paragraph, then paste your text into HIX AI Humanizer. This tool allows you to choose different tone settings, such as formal, casual, or academic, depending on your purpose. It rewrites the content while maintaining the original structure and meaning. After processing, review the output to ensure it matches your academic or SEO requirements. The tool helps make your content sound more natural while keeping it well organized and readable. The result is 30% AI generated and 70% human written. So the workflow is straightforward. Generate content using ChatGPT, refine it with HIX AI Humanizer, and adjust the tone based on your needs. This tool is especially useful if you want a balance between human-like writing and structured content for academic or SEO purposes. Our fourth tool is Smodin AI. What if you could rewrite your academic content, generate citations, and even check plagiarism, all in one tool? Use ChatGPT to create content and then improve it using Smodin, a tool designed specifically for students and academic researchers. Start by generating your content using ChatGPT. You can write essays, research paragraphs, or summaries based on your topic. Copy text and next, paste your content into Smodin. This tool helps you rewrite the text, improve clarity, and even generate citations depending on your academic needs. Smodin also includes a plagiarism checker, which allows you to verify whether your content is original or needs further modification. This makes it especially useful for research papers and assignments. Okay, now check in Zero GPT. As you can see, our text is 100% human written. So the process is simple. Generate content with ChatGPT, refine and cite it using Smodin, and verify originality with its built-in plagiarism checker. This makes it a powerful all-in-one tool for students and researchers. So our fifth and last tool is Wordtune. What if you could make your sentences sound more natural, clearer, and more human without rewriting your entire document? Wordtune is a tool designed for improving sentence-level clarity and tone. So first, generate your paragraph or content using ChatGPT. This could be for essays, assignments, or research writing. Next, take specific sentences and paste them into Wordtune. Wordtune focuses on rewriting individual sentences to make them more natural, clear, and human-like while preserving the academic tone. You can choose from different rewrite suggestions depending on how formal, concise, or expanded you want your sentence to be. This helps improve readability without changing the meaning. So, you can see our text is 100% human written. So, these were some of the best AI tools you can use to improve, humanize, and refine your academic writing, from paraphrasing and tone adjustment to citations and AI detection checks. Each tool has its own strengths, so choose the one that fits your workflow best. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos.